Right, this is the more dramatic part of the farms, full of bird muck. Something's been nesting here, but whatever it was, they all seem to have gone. So I think we're a bit late in the year, but yeah, that's had a lot of birds on it. Let's see if we can get through. See if there's a gap. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Oh no, then. Camera. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, I don't believe it. See if we can sneak through here. Wow, that's tight. Do it, no touching the rock. Can we do it? Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh, know when to make the move. Oyster catcher. Ah, right, okay. I've got it on camera. Look at this. Nice, isn't it? Be a nice climb if they weren't full of bird muck. Very nice. Serenity.